Once again he's done it, Sehwag. A horrible ball outside leg stump, and somehow or other he's managed to find a leading edge and spoon it up into the air on the offside.
It's gone for 20. They've lost a wicket for 52.
Virat Kohli, who's in very good form, comes in at the fall of the first wicket. So Michael Clarke has done it yet again. Change of bowling, immediately brings a wicket.
Shot, he's hit that so well, that has flown off his bat. Well, that's an adventuresome shot, but he's not clearing the fence. He has found the fielder. Peter Forrest it is who takes the catch. And Virat Kohli was being bogged down, tried to hit his way out of it.
Not a great shot selection there from Virat Kohli. He got 8 runs from the last over. He just needed to rate the strike. Simple catch to Peter Forrest, an extra cover. The danger man departs. Virat Kohli on 18. India 90 for 2 now.
Now Rohit Sharma playing his 75th one-day international with an average of 34, 2 centuries in there, 11 50s, and a strike rate of 79. This is clipped round the corner for 4, and it will bring Gautam Gambhir's half-century.
Oh, ball, mate. Go, go.
100 up for India, 100 for 2.
Oh, runner.
He has to hurry. He was throwing at the danger end. It was the end Gautam Gambhir was running to, because Gambhir played that off the back foot. Short ball and put away for 6.
Just imagine the power in this shot. It's one of his natural shots, the short arm pull. He's talking about the 6s that he was hitting to get off the innings, and one day is at home.
Oh, that's a fine shot.
Down leg side, this will race away to the boundary.
And mid-off's getting under it, and here's another example of an Indian player just throwing his wicket away.
There was no shot. Mid-off was sort of halfway, and mid-on was up. Simple catch to Mitchell Starc. He shouldn't be playing their shots at this stage of the game, but unfortunately he had to go. Another wicket for Australia. Sharma departs for 33. India 166 for 3.
Suresh Raina comes in at the fall of the third wicket. That'll be away for 4. Nice way to get off the mark for Suresh Raina. Well, he's gone a long way across there, and he's been given out. So Mackay has done it again. He's got the breakthrough.
Good seam position, pitched middle, nipped back maybe a bit. He was playing across the line. You can see the leg stump as well, and I think that's where umpire had to make a decision towards Australia. Gautam has to depart. India 178 for 4.
And the skipper is in now at number 6. He needs to play a good innings. And Raina needed a bit of convincing about that single.
Well, they're going to take 2 here, and that's excellent running. Just a well-judged knock into space, and 2 to end the over. It's 187 for 4.
It's chipped back to the square, and it's gone for 4. A much-needed boundary for India. What a good delivery. Dhoni stretched him forward, but he did keep his back foot anchored. Dhoni wants 2 here. He's turned very well. He knew he wanted to from the get-go there, and he made it 209 for 4. It's gone for a big one, and it's gone for 6, and India need that.
Suresh Raina targeting that leg side boundary and hitting it a long way.
And they run well between the wickets. Dhoni there coming back for 2. 2 is the call. Dhoni will get it. Dhoni wants to. And another misfield will give him the run quite easily. Ponting hits the stumps, but Dhoni's in. And he goes back for the second. Oh, lovely shot. Much needed boundary this for India. Here's Doherty. And he's bowled him.
He's going to try and target the onside. He basically just ran past that one. Missed it on the full. And India have lost their 5th wicket with 239 on the board.
Ravindra Jadeja comes out to the middle. Dhoni has to hurry. Oh, direct hit, and he could have been in trouble there. 2 is the call. Jadeja is quick. Gets it easily. He's struck it, and long on will take the catch.
Yeah, he was looking a little squarer. He wanted to hit the gap between Ponting and Warner, but instead Ponting was on the move and took a good catch.
So Ashwin, the man who's come out to the centre, but he'll be at the non-striker's end.
India have a big over now if they're to win this.
He's got that away on the onside. He'll get only 1, as Dhoni will want the strike. Tremendous strike. What a strike that is. It has gone a long, long way into the crowd over the longest part of the boundary. And this has to be one of the biggest sixes you've seen in this one-day tournament. It's gone way back on the hill. And the good thing is Dhoni still on strike. He goes again. He will be caught in the deep. It's a no-ball signal. He'll come back for the second.
Definitely above waist height. Paul Rifle called it immediately. David Warner, I think he was on the case. He knew straight away he was getting it in.
We'll get 2 here, maybe even the boundary. It's pulled back by Warner, but India have come back for 3 and have won this match. So terrific match, and the captain brilliant in the end. Just kept his cool, came out with a big shot when it was needed. So India register their first win against Australia in the triangular series, and the second